how to clear cache or data on Uber Eats app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the cache or the data of the Uber Eats app on your Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as apps. And here, just tap on manage apps. And after that, you'll see the interface like this, where you'll see the list of all the apps that's installed on your device. So now here, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Uber Eats. And now here on the search result page, just tap on Uber Eats, and after that you'll be prompted to the Uber Eats app settings page. Now from here, you simply have to tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. So here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, first just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now here, once you're done clearing all the cache, just tap on clear all data, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here on the pop-up menu, just tap on OK to confirm it, and this will delete all app settings and log you out. So here, just a heads up, clearing data will remove your preferences, saved location, and sign you out of the app. And that's it. That's how you can clear the cache and data on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.